Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings, then tap to the sounds and haptics. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Once the switcher is activated, this means that all of your ringtones and the notifications, they are muted. Just to unmute them, you should click to the switcher to turn off the silent mode. Also, you could make it by another way. If you use the action button to activate or turn off the silent mode, you should press this button just to turn on or turn it off to unmute ringtone volume. And also you could make it by another way just by press to the up volume button, but first be sure that change with button switcher is activated to unmute ringtone volume with the help of the volume buttons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.